Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel KONKANI ULAI. Today we are going to learn few more sentences and new words in the form of a short story. The topic for today is Let's Go to School. This will help you to improve your KONKANI reading and you will be able to learn few more new words. So before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel and learn KONKANI with me. Let's start. Let's go to school. चला शाळेक वचूया. चला शाळेक वचूया. चला means to go. शाळेक means to school. वचूया means let's go. Today is the first day at school. आयज शाळेचो पयलो दीस. आयज शाळेचो पयलो दीस. आयज means today. शाळेचो means at school. पयलो means first. This means day. Raju woke up early in the morning. Raju सकाळी बेगीन उठलो. Raju सकाळी बेगीन उठलो. सकाळी means in the morning. बेगीन means early. उठलो means woke up. He dressed up to go to school. तो शाळेक वचपाक तयार जालो. तो शाळेक वचपाक तयार जालो. तो means he. शाळेक means to school. वचपाक means to go. तयार means to get ready. Raju took his bag and left to go to school. राजून ताचो बोटवो घेतलो आनी शाळेक वचपाक भायर सरलो. राजून ताचो बोटवो घेतलो आनी शाळेक वचपाक भायर सरलो. ताचो बोटवो means his bag. While speaking in Konkani, you can use the word bag. घेतलो means took. शाळेक means to school. वचपाक means to go. भायर in Konkani, भायर means outside. But in this sentence, भायर सरलो means he left to go. Raju called out Rahim. Rajun Rahimak ulo kelo. Teacher welcomed all the students. शिक्षकान सगळ्या भुरग्यांक येवकार दिलो. शिक्षकान सगळ्या भुरग्यांक येवकार दिलो. शिक्षकान means teacher. सगळ्या means all. भुरग्यांक means students. येवकार means welcome. येवकार दिलो means welcomed. Everyone prayed to God. सगळ्यांनी देवाक नमन केलें. सगळ्यांनी देवाक नमन केलें. सगळ्यांनी means everyone. देवाक means to God. नमन means pray. नमन केलें means prayed. All students were very excited. सगळीं भुरगीं उमेदीन आसलीं. सगळीं भुरगीं उमेदीन आसलीं. सगळीं means all. भुरगीं means students. उमेदीन means excited. Students were very happy to learn new chapter. भुरगी नवो पाठ शिकपाक खूब खोशी आसली. भुरगी नवो पाठ शिकपाक खूब खोशी आसली. भुरगी means students, नवो means new, पाठ means chapter, शिकपाक means to learn, खूब means very, खोशी means happy. Teacher starts with the new chapter. शिक्षक नवो पाठ सुरू करता. शिक्षक नवो पाठ सुरू करता. शिक्षक means teacher. While talking in Konkani, you can use the word teacher. शिक्षक means teacher. नवो means new. पाठ means chapter. सुरू करता means starts. Name of the chapter is Rain. पाठाचे नाव पाऊस. पाठाचे नाव पाऊस. पाठाचे नाव means name of the chapter. नाव means name. पाऊस means rain. Everyone was playing in the classroom. सगळी वर्गात खेळटाली. सगळी वर्गात खेळटाली. सगळी means everyone. वर्गात means in the classroom. वर्ग means classroom. खेळटाली means playing. After school, everyone went home happily. शाळा सोंपल्या उपरांत सगळी भुरगीं उमेदीन घरा गेली. शाळा सोंपल्या उपरांत सगळी भुरगीं उमेदीन घरा गेली. शाळा means school, सोंपल्या उपरांत means after getting over. उपरांत means after. सगळी means everyone. भुरगीं means students. उमेदीन means happily. घरा means home. गेली means went. घरा गेली means went home. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it. Please share your feedback and keep following my channel never to miss a new video and taking a step ahead to learn Konkani. Thank you. God bless you all.